Hi everybody, this video is going to be about the information from pages 372 through 374 about transversals and angles, and then finding angle measures. I am going to go to a few of the homework problems that you had to work on and kind of talk you through how to do them, because I've had several questions about some of these. So I thought I would work through number 7A and 7B and also number 8 and give you some ideas on how to tackle those. So 7A says the parallel lines at the right are cut by a transversal. Find the value of x. So A says angles 1 and 2 are corresponding angles. The measure of angle 1 is 45 degrees and the measure of angle 2 is x plus 25. So also make note of how I read that we don't say m angle 2, like that's how they show the measure of angle 2, and that's how you read that. Okay, so over here for that problem, I'll show you some of the notes I wrote here. I'm not gonna walk you through the whole thing because I think once I give you all these good hints, you'll be good to go from there. But just a reminder from the previous pages, angle 1 and angle 2 are corresponding angles because they are both, if you look at them, they're both in the top right corners compared to the parallel line, and those are called corresponding. So, and you also learned in the previous page that corresponding angles are equal. So all you have to do from there, look at what I wrote above, you can set them equal to each other and then just go solve that simple one-step equation. Okay, and remember, always go back and make sure when you solve, always make sure you're asking what they want. So yeah, number 7 does say find the value of x. So you solving and getting x, you'll be finished if you do that. Okay, letter B says angles 3 and 4 are alternate interior angles. The measure of angle 3 equals 2x degrees. The measure of angle 4 equals 80 degrees. So on that picture, it's kind of hard to tell because the angles are so close together, but I erased a few times and actually erased the 3 and the 4 that were printed in the book, as you can see if you're looking in your book. But I marked that angle here 2x, and then angle 4 up there is 80. And remember again from the previous pages, alternate interior angles. You know, they're interior because they're on the insides of the parallel lines. And they're alternate because one's on one side of the transversal and one's on the other side of the transversal. And then lastly, you learn that alternate interior angles are always equal, meaning you can go set 2x equal to 80, and again you have a simple one-step equation to solve, and then you will be finished because they asked you to find the value of x. And then lastly, number 8 said describe a method you could use to find the value of x in the figure at the right without using a protractor. So let's talk about this for a minute. I wrote both of these together, x, angle x and angle 2x. Both of them together total 180 degrees. That's because the two of those angles together make a straight line. Okay, if we continued this all the way around, you can see that I would have made a circle, right? A circle, everyone knows, is 360 degrees. So as you can see, this halfway around the circle would just be 180 degrees. So these two angles together, this one plus this one, has to total 180 degrees. And that's what I just wrote down there. And then there's my hint to you. So you can solve for x, and first you would have to combine the like terms. And remember, x has a coefficient of 1, so that would be 1x. plus 2x. And then you could solve from there. And then back to the question, it does say find the value of x. So once you solve for x, you will be finished. All right, good luck everybody. Bye.